click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android Incursion. In this video, I will talk about the Android Pie update of Galaxy A7 2018. So let's watch. So friends, the Galaxy A7 2018, which is one of the Samsung triple camera smartphone, was confirmed for Android Pie update. Even some users were getting Android Pie beta and some were getting stable update. But friends, now the stable update is available in one more country, which is Netherland. So friends, the Galaxy A7 is now getting Android Pie stable update in Netherland. And also the update was pulled from the update server, but update is again now available. The update was pulled over the server due to major bug of phone app which makes the call to anyone without your permission. But now Samsung has resolved this issue. Friends, the update comes with brand new One UI and many new features we commonly see in One UI update. The update also brings smart security patch. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.